Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you don't want your hotspot to be hacked by other people, so you should change your hotspot password as often as possible, so that other people will have difficulty hacking your hotspot guys. And how to change your hotspot password is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can go to connection. And then now you can go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And then now you can go to mobile hotspot and you can configure. And now you can change the password into strong password guys. And if you're done, now you can click save and your hotspot password has already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change password hotspot, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.